Magnetic field and magnetic lines of force. Magnetic field. Magnetic field is a region near a magnetized body where magnetic forces can be detected. Let us understand the concept of magnetic field with the help of an activity. Place a cardboard over a magnet. Sprinkle some iron filings on the cardboard. Tap the cardboard gently. We observe that the iron filings align themselves in definite patterns. These patterns indicate the magnetic field of the magnet. A magnetic field is represented graphically by lines of force. Mapping of magnetic lines of force. A pictorial representation that gives the direction of the magnetic field at various points in a magnetic field is called a map of the magnetic field. Let us now map the magnetic field by using a compass. A compass is a small magnetic needle pivoted at its center and enclosed in a brass case with a glass top. Fix a sheet of paper on a drawing board. Place a bar magnet on the sheet of paper. Trace the boundary NS of the bar magnet. Place a compass at the North Pole. What do you observe? The magnetic needle comes to rest in a particular direction. Mark the other end of the needle as shown here. Now move the magnetic needle in such a way that its south pole is where its north pole was. Mark the new position of its north pole. Repeat this until the other end of the magnet is reached. Join the points. These points form a curve. The curved line represents a magnetic line of force. Similarly, place the compass at different points near the north pole of the magnet and map the lines of force. Patterns of lines of force. Patterns due to a bar magnet. Let us now study the nature of magnetic lines of force due to a bar magnet. Place a bar magnet on the cardboard. Sprinkle some iron filings on a piece of paper and place it on the magnet. Tap the paper gently. The iron filings arrange themselves as shown here. Patterns due to two bar magnets placed with opposite poles facing each other. Patterns due to two bar magnets placed with like poles facing each other. Properties of magnetic lines of force. Let us now summarize the properties of lines of force. They are closed and continuous curves. Outside the magnet, the lines of force are directed from the north pole towards the south pole of the magnet, whereas Within the magnetic lines are directed from the South Pole towards the North Pole. Lines of force repel each other. Lines of force never intersect.